Hello guys, welcome to Sumuka Infotech. In this video, I will explain how to display records present in a table on a web page. If you have not watched my previous video of inserting a record from frontend to backend, please do watch. Let us get started. Okay, make sure your WAMP server has been launched. Here it is. Okay, now select a browser. Okay, it is already running. Let me quickly recall what we did in our previous video. We had designed this one, add new student. When you select add new student, we used to get this form. Now let me insert one record. KP name, register number S004, place Mysore. Sorry. Contact number, let me give some number. Okay. When you click submit button, the record gets saved in the table. And this is our PHP&Mysql dashboard. If you select the table student, okay, let me log in once again. Okay, when you click the student table, yeah, this shows the records being saved in the table. Right now we have 3 records. Okay, in this video, let us design this second option, view student. When user selects the view student, it should display the records present in a table on a web page. Let us do that one. For that purpose, I will select the navbar page. Go to your root directory, that is a www directory. Select my web app. Let me select navbar.php with edit with notepad++ option. Okay, let me scroll down to the drop down menu option. Yeah, here it is, line number 47. Hope you can see this one. Yeah, so the href attribute is having the value ash. Let me replace that ash with file name view student.php. student student.php. Okay, I need to create this file. I will select this text, copy, select new file, save this file with the name view student.php. Fine. So here we need to fetch records from a table. For that purpose, we have to execute SQL statement select star from student. Instead of writing the program from the scratch, let me select my previous code, that is save student. Okay, here we have written database related things. I will copy paste these things and use for a display operation. Let me copy everything, copy and paste it to view student.php. Okay, here never first statement is required. I will keep it as it is. These 3 things, 4 statements are not necessary. I will delete them. Here, instead of insert into query, I need to execute select star from table name. That's why I will delete this one. I will write select star from student. Our table name is student, that's why I have written student. This remains as it is, this remains as it is. Okay, connect it, query, everything is fine. Yeah, from here onwards my code gets changed. Okay, so in my previous video I have explained the purpose of all these statements. When my control reaches here, after if statement, it means transaction has been done successfully. So here, when we execute select statement, what happens? Let me show what is the output of a select statement. I will go to MySQL console. Like PHP_MyAdmin, we have this one also. It asks for password. You just press enter button. Okay, MySQL. First, we need to select our database, that is use school. Yeah, we got the statement database changed. To list the tables present in this database, I will write show tables. Yeah, it is having only one table called student. To view the content of student, I have to write select star from student. Hope you have done all these things in your DBMS lab. Yes. So when we execute select statement, we get a table containing these three records. The same thing happens here also. When I execute select statement here, the three records, these three records, or we can technically call them as record set, get placed in $result. Now the variable $result is having three records. In PHP, it is not possible to display all record set at once, like echo $result does not work. You can't do this. This does not work. Instead, we need to fetch each record from record set and that record has to be displayed. How to do that? Let me show you. $row is an object or a variable in which I will keep each record. $result is record set. It is having three records. Among three, I will fetch the first record by calling the function fetch object. So when you call fetch object, the first record among three gets selected and placed in $row. Now I need to display the content of $row by referring the column name. How to do that? Simple. Echo $row arrow. Here you need to give the column name properly. Make sure you know the column names: ID, name, register number, place, contact number. So $row arrow ID. Let me add some space. $row arrow name, $row arrow place, $row arrow contact number. Save. Let me cross check. ID, name, register number, place, contact number. ID, name, place. Which one is missing? I think register number is missing. Name, register number, place, contact number. Okay. $row arrow register number. Okay. The order can be anything. There is no rule. Okay. Let me execute this code. How to do that? Go to your browser, refresh. Instead of refreshing, I will select this drop down option, view student. No, it is not coming. I must reload the page. Let me execute from the beginning. Localhost / my web app. Select navbar. Now select view student. Yes, I am getting. The first one is OK connected. This is because of this echo statement. Let me comment it. Save and refresh the page. Okay. 1, that is ID, Kiran, that is name, S001 is register number, DVG is place, and this one is contact number. Among three, the first record got displayed. Now, how to display the remaining two things? The remaining two records. To display the remaining two records which are present in this record set, we need to repeat these two statements. So, I need to call fetch object and this echo 3 times. Instead of writing 3 times, I will make use looping statement. Let me show you. I will use while here. In the body of the while loop, I will keep echo statement. Save this. So the logic is very simple. You guys know how a looping statement works. Loop means repetition. Here, when it enters the condition section, it fetches a record from the record set and puts in $row. And then while loop checks whether there is a record or not. If there is a record, it enters into the body of loop and executes the echo statement. When it encounters this statement, again it goes back to the condition. Now it fetches the second record. If there is a record, again it executes the echo statement. And this process continues unless the condition is false. The condition becomes false when there is no record. So this is the logic. Let me save this code and refresh this page. I should get 3 records. Yes, all 3 records are coming. Kiran. Since we have not used a line break, all are displayed on a horizontal line. Let me use line break. Hope you know the tag br. Line break tag. Good. Yes. All records are displayed. The 3 records are displayed. So this is a simple coding technique to display the records present in a table on a web page. To make this page more interactive, to make it readable, let us use table tag. If we display all the information in a table, it looks good. That's why before while loop, I will define the table tag in the echo only. How to define table tag? Table class is equal to table. Fine. As you know, table is a collection of rows and columns. That's why I define a tr followed by th. Th means table head. Let the first head be id. Close th. The second heading be name. And third one, register number. Fourth one, place. And the last one, contact number. And let me close the tr. Hope you know, in table, the first row will be heading related. That's why I have used th. So when we have to display the remaining elements, we need to keep them in td, which stands for table data. So tr td. In between td, I will place id. The same rule has to be followed for displaying the name. Td open, td close for register number. The same td open, td close for place. Similarly for contact number. When you use table tag, you need not to use this br. It has no use. Tr. Fine. So the 3 TRs gets created dynamically. And when it exits from the loop, I will close the table tag. Echo table. Okay, I have saved. Let me check how it looks like. Yes, good. It's looking fine. Let me use division tag so that it looks more clear. Before echo, I will use division div with class label container and background color bg info. Fine. After table, I will close the div tag. Good. Refresh the page. Yes, it looks good. It would be nice if we change the background color of the row having heads. How to do that? This tier meant for heading. That's why I will add the class bg danger to tr. Yes. So this is a very simple code of displaying a table having the records. Hope you did understand this. Practice this one. We completed two things, that is inserting record from front end to back end and displaying the records present in a table on a web page. Please practice these two things. In the next video, I will explain how to add, edit and delete options to records. I will explain all those things in my next video. Please practice these two things. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.